Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, this is the 256 gigabyte that I purchased. You know, Apple has different storage that you can buy from. So I got the third storage to the last. Yeah, I think they only have first, second, third, and fourth storages. So yes, I got the third, which is the 256 storage is what I have here today. So so depending on your storage, that's how Apple will charge you. So bear in mind that you can get 13, or you can get the Pro Max. You can get 125 or 28 gigabyte. Like I said, it all depends on the gigabyte that you get. Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing. So I haven't transferred all of my info into my new phone. Like I said, this is an open box. I will give you guys as much details as possible and the accessories that I purchased. Also, I'm waiting for my camera lens from Amazon, which will be like this week or whatsoever. But I purchased my phone on lock from Apple, and I did an installment payment, and that one was done. I got it from last year and I paid off, and now I'm treating myself. 2022, I'm telling everybody, you understand, whatever makes you happy, go for it, regardless what it is. Okay, even if you can't afford it, they have a lot of options now than we ever had before. Okay, so let's get to the video, okay, or to the product. So now let me show you my unbox iPhone Max 13. So you guys, this is the, I'm trying to see, okay, so this is the 13. Back here is my information, as you can see here. So this is how the 13 comes. This is the box. It has this opening here and everything, and then once you take the box out, these two things comes out. These, one on top of here and one down here to open the box. Okay, I did that before I decided to like show you guys this. So this is the, yes, this is the phone, y'all. This is it. Let me take a picture. Okay, so this is the box right here. As you can see, this is the camera lens. Here it comes with 3. This is the 11. This is the 11 that I got from Apple. So it has 2 camera lenses here, and then it has the flashlight right here, while this one comes with 3 camera lenses, and then the flashlight is right here. I'm not sure what this middle dot is right here, so that's it right there. And my con for this is not providing the head for the charger. You have to pay for that separately. I don't think Apple did us fair by not providing the head for us. You guys know this head goes with this, and now they have a different, like a C charger. This is a regular charger. So basically I'm gonna have to buy me a regular, this will not fit here. So that's what I don't like about Apple, because I feel like if you want to pay that kind of money, they should actually give you a charger as well, instead of trying to make more money out of you and buying all these accessories when it's not necessary. That's my con for Apple. If you're watching, please try to do better when, you know, you guys used to do it. I'm not sure now, the phones are being upgraded and stuff like that. and you guys are not providing the C chargers for the iPhones, which I think you guys are so wrong on that one. Okay, that's just my take on it. Alright, so the charger comes in this thing right here, and then this is just like a manual. It say Apple California, designed by Apple. So here you get the logo here, as you can see here. You can put it here if you want to, and this is the pin to open your tray. Basically, this is the tray right here. Let me show you, which is a good thing that at least they provide you with this one. Before they don't do that. So this is the tray that goes in here, and then you just put your SIM card in here basically, and it goes right in here again. So that's a plus, you know, for Apple for providing this. If you have been buying Apple products, they haven't been providing this. You have to get this separately. So I really appreciate that, okay, for that. So that's that. And this is the front of the phone, you guys. So like I said, this is just an open box. I will do a more detailed videos once I power everything up and everything running, and I'm ready for you guys to see all of that. Okay, so like I said, this is the tray that we did right here, and this is the silent button. This is the silent button right here. This is the volume up and down button, and this is the power button right here. Okay, to power up. So it tells you right here on the front of the thing right here what these are for. So if you had Apple before, so you pretty much used to this, you know. So this screen is I will put it on it, I think it's 6.7, the screen, so I will put it on this screen as well once I'm editing this video. But the color of the phone is gold, you guys, as you can see here. And this one, the 11 that I have, is the purple, you guys. This is just a year old. I'm gonna give this to my son. This is 11. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this to him. And then yeah, so basically yeah, that's it basically. So I got a protector for my phone and stuff like that. Here is the charger. It goes in here, you know, the charger, the speakers right here. So it's just a basic understanding, you guys. If you have Apple before, or if you don't, it's very easy. This is self-explanatory. Like I said here, this is the same thing. The only thing is this phone is bigger than this one, you guys. So as you can see, so well, I was thinking about trading this one. Apple wanted to give me less than what I paid for, and so I just decided to give this to my son, which is a year old. They want to give you chicken change for it, but they want to charge you more money when it comes to a brand new one. Like, for real, like, no. So like I said, if you have everything here is the same, you know what I mean. It's just like, see the tray right here, the tray is right here as well. Everything is basically the same. I mean, the only difference is the size of the phones. That's basically it, but everything here is the same. This tray is on this side, and the tray is over here. Basically, that's basically it. Yeah, but like I said, the only cons I really don't like is the charger, and I have to pay. I think when I went on their website, it was like $29 or $19.99. I will put the amount on there, the C charger, which I think Five Below didn't have it. So, you know, so I'm waiting for it, you know, to get it. But like I said, I appreciate this tray key that they provided and stuff like that. So that's a what's the name, but the box, you know, first impression, it's very, very nice. I always keep my box. I think I have my iPhone 11 box over there as well. So this, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, to be honest. I don't know if I want to put it on my, I don't know. So, but this comes with it, like I showed you earlier. Okay, so my accessories that I got so far, I went to Five Below, and I got this screen protector for $5 here. Okay, so I did that. I purchased that, and I also got the case. You guys, I got the case from Five Below. So that's basically it. I will put my case on my phone, I mean, into my case to show you how is it gonna look, but I will do a separate video on how to put your screensaver, your screen protector on your phone. So yeah, so this was $5, and well, $5, no, $5.55. You know, Five Below him went up now too, right? So this is $5.55. So basically, yeah. So I was talking about the lens before. I purchased a lens cover for my iPhone, so it's coming soon. So yeah, so this goes in here like so, and that's basically it. Let me fold this up, and it fits like so. So this is my Pro. So once I get the protector this week, I will do a video on that as well, how to protect your lens from scratching or getting it dirty and stuff like that. So yes guys, so my first impression, let me know what you think. So I'm about to transfer my information all up in here. I will show you what's on my iPhone, what kind of apps I have and stuff like that. So yeah, so like I said, this case is from Five Below, and it was $5.53. But you guys, yes, my son doesn't know he's gonna get this because he does so well in school overall, all A's and B's. He surely deserved this phone instead of Apple. So you guys, let me know what you think. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Okay.